For the record, your name, man?
Teresa Phillips,
Miss Phillips, and you are the
mother of Sanjay J. Brown.
when last is Sanjay?
I didn't see him yesterday because I left out for work. I left out for work. I left out for work in the morning, and normally when I leave out for work, I leave out in the night because I leave home 5:30 every morning, and when I come back home it's night. So yesterday evening, because it was on holiday, I did one shift and I came home. On my way home, I saw a group of them. I made out two of them because I was tired and I was dozing off in the taxi. And when I heard the bikes, I opened my eyes immediately because I said, no, when he wears me here a bike, me I look for him. So I heard the bikes and I saw two persons that I could identify in the group of persons. But when I rose up, I didn't see him. But the other two persons that I saw, I know he would be there. But bikes had passed before, and I know he was there, but I didn't see him.
Where he happened last night?
Then the last time I spoke with Sanjay, I was going down by my father, and I was taking the dog with me, and I walk the dog, and when I come back, I stop right here, and I buy a juice, and I said, Miss Juni, um, me I go over, cause me tired and me sweaty. Me I go over go bed here, and me go over me car, and says, so me go over, me hear me phone, me the bed, and me hear my daughter, sorry, my phone ring, my daughter answer it. After my daughter answer the phone, me hear she start get uproar and she start talk on top of her voice. And me hear she even curse. And she not do that before me. At first, me never hear she use those language before me. So me ask her, me say, what happened, Shanique? What happened? What happened? What happened? She say, one individual say, Sanjay crash. And he now move. The same time she take my phone and she come out of the yard. But even before that, Sanjay, the last time I spoke to Sanjay is when I was going down and I called him. I was looking for the leash for the dog. And I called two persons before I could get to Sanjay because I've been calling him from in the morning and I haven't gotten to him. And when I call one of the persons, he answered and I tell him I need to speak with Sanjay. And I tell him to ask Sanjay for the leash and he gave Sanjay the phone. And I ask him, Mr. Sanjay, whatever I'm asking for it. And he said, Mommy, look under the cupboard there, so I'm looking at the bag you see it. And I say, all right. And I say, later. And he said, yes. And I say, that's it. Let him not reach home.
You ever tell him to buy a helmet when he ride the bike?
I tell him to park the bike. Yeah, every day me pray for the bike mash up. Every day me pray for the bike mash up. Every day. The last time the bike stopped work and it impacted up in the unfinished part of the house. And then the whole longer. Whenever time the bike is not riding, Sanjay in the yard, we can always find him in the yard if he don't have the bike. And him get somebody come work on the bike other day. And while working on the bike catch a fire.